Introduction to Automated Client Onboarding.
Streamlining client onboarding is essential for remote teams. Manual processes can slow you down and increase errors. With automation tools like Zapier, you can connect popular apps such as Gmail, Google Docs, and Sheets, ensuring every new client receives a seamless, professional start. In this guide, you'll learn practical steps to automate your onboarding process effectively.
Setting up your Zapier account.
To start, create a Zapier account and link your favorite apps. After signing up, connect Gmail, Google Docs, and Google Sheets to Zapier. This step allows Zapier to access your data so it can automate workflows between these services. Always ensure you have the necessary permissions for each app before proceeding.
Triggering onboarding with new client emails.
The onboarding process begins when a potential client reaches out by email. In Zapier, set Gmail as your trigger app. Specify the trigger event, such as receiving a new email with a particular subject line or label. This setup means every new client message automatically starts the onboarding workflow, saving you manual sorting and checks.
Creating and sharing client documents automatically.
Next, automate document creation and sharing. Use Zapier to generate a personalized onboarding document in Google Docs whenever a new client email triggers the process. The Zap can automatically fill in client details, then share the document via Gmail. This ensures every client receives the proper materials instantly, improving consistency and professionalism.
Tracking client information in Google Sheets.
Keep client data organized by automating record creation in Google Sheets. As part of your Zap, configure a step to add new client information into a dedicated sheet. This step ensures all important details like names, contact info, and onboarding status are stored securely in one place, making it easy to manage and track progress.
Maintaining and improving your onboarding workflow.
After automation is set up, test your workflow and refine as needed. Make sure emails, documents, and spreadsheet entries are accurate. Regularly review your onboarding process to adapt to new needs or apps your team adopts. With continuous improvements, you can deliver a smooth, automated onboarding experience for every new remote client.